of the day. This is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a Starbucks going 4.5 miles. Brienne?
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. It says, leave on front yard by driveway. It's an odd request. Total for that one was just under $10. Wow, that was actually a really good one. Next order up is a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is going 5.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Hello.
Hi.
Total for that one was $7 and change. Got this next order right away. This is the Human Bean, $9 going 6 miles.
Here's that for you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a Seize the Bagel going 3 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was just under $8. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is $9 going 6.5 miles.
Hey, how are you?
Good, you.
Good.
Got the next order lined up right after this one. It is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $9 going 3 miles, only one item. Well, they didn't have the pregnancy test that they asked for, and they weren't replying to my messages asking about a substitute, so hopefully this works out, because I need a pin. Next up is a Chick-fil-A. This one is $9 going 7 miles. Thank you.
My pleasure. Straws in the bag.
Got this next order right away. It is a Seize the Bagel going 6 miles.
Did you want a cold brew? It's got cold foam in it. It's vegan.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. This is a perfect time to mention it, mainly because I forgot about it until just now. So after like 3, maybe 4 years of being on the wait list, they finally let me onto Grubhub, and this is the very first order that I'm taking on it. This is a Starbucks, $10 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Hi, I had a drop-off order for Alex. Just gonna take a quick picture. You won't be in it. Total for that drop-off was $10. Shout out to Seize the Bagel for the free drink. Next up is Scratch Breakfast going, ooh, this is high mileage. This one's 8 miles.
This is the drink for Donna. Here's that DoorDash for Donna.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was just under $11. Pretty good. Actually, it was high mileage, so decent. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $13 going 5 miles, 6 items. The one that I need. It's the only one that's sold out.
like the family fun size?
No, the regular one.
Oh, the regular one.
Yeah.
Okay. How many you want?
Just one.
Perfect. There you go.
Appreciate it.
Shoot. At least you don't want that one. Have a good one.
Yep, you too. Got this next order pretty much right away. This is Richland Hub going just under 5 miles.
You are.
Thank you.
And this way.
Total for that order was $9. And on that note, I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 9:56. Total, we ended up with $124. And that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.